We're cooking eggs for a hamburger on the barbecue that we don't have a griddle and we have a cooktop induction burner. We're going to show you what this product is briefly about. This is a single burner induction top cook plate. Provider Wesson Oris at 1800 watt single plate for indoor and outdoor for parties, fairs, picnics, and more. 110 volt. We're going to open this up, show you how nicely they are packaged inside the box, protected all around, and in plastic and styrofoam. Your cooktop plate, please be very careful when the top may be hot after in the off position, and you have the instruction guide to go over on how to use your product. As we plug in for the first time, please be careful when turning on. The unit will give its overlay the 3 dashes in standby. On a reminder, please put a pot on, the magnet, and power on. Just showing you on the sides, one side doesn't have a vent, the other side does. It has plastic feet and a cooling fan, so please be careful. As we place on to the IH high, it is the 9-inch round area. 6 cooking modes, 9 levels, up to a 3-hour timer. We have soup, steam, boil water, hot pot, porridge, stir fry. Hitting the on button is simple as touching in the on position. We are going to boil water. Hitting the boil water does not work. What you need to do is go to the function, hot, porridge, stir fry, and it gives you the degree. And then soup and function and boil water. As we pull the pot off, it is a little bit of steam. Place on, and you notice how it says EO, an error. Place on, it recognizes boiling water at 800 watts. We have a thermometer and we're going up to show you that we are at boiling water, 124 degrees at the bottom at the moment. And we are on the maximum level and we could go down to 1600 watts. As we pull to the side so you can see that the induction doesn't get hot, but putting over on there, it shows at 100, 200, 204 degrees and so forth. Within 2 minutes, we have about a cup or 2 of water and you can hear it steaming up and getting ready to whistle. So as we're boiling water, you can hear it just about whistling. We're removing the pot and we have an EO. If we tilt the pot or put our hand over, it is in a hot position. It is not super hot, but it is hot. So please do not touch the area. Let's shut off the machine by hitting the off and allow it to cool down, as this is still at 200 degrees, 189 degrees, and so forth. The single burner induction for stir fry, porridge, hot plates, boiling water, steaming, and soups. We're going to be putting a pan on and frying an egg and some other foods, and showing you what this is about outdoors. For parties, fairs, and all the burners are filled, this is an addition to your stove, indoor cooking, and more. You could put pots up to 9 inches, you could stir fry, put soup, and other items on the induction plate. It is easy to clean by taking a sponge, damp, and cleaning off the area. It is a glass-like top. It is not dishwasher safe. Just the top can be rinsed down and it is feather touch. barbecuing and you don't have room, or you're making an egg for a hamburger. And that's exactly what we're going to be doing here as we're preheating our pan. And we are on a lock position, so please be careful. As you can see that the vibration of the fan can move things around. So we're going to crack an egg. We're going to scramble it and place it into the pan and fry. As the egg is cooking, it'll take about a minute or two. So we have our egg already made, just like that. And when you're finished, simply turn off the unit, the fan shuts down, and you got your egg already made. Your outdoor Induction cook fan, 9 inches. It is cooling down as it stays warm for a number of minutes. Caution, hot. It is glass to clean the top for your outdoor cooking and barbecue needs. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.